Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today is the 100-day project. It's day 31, guys. We're moving along pretty quickly, I think. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for the supporting subscribers. What I'm going to do, guys, at the end of the 100-day project, I will be doing a giveaway, and that giveaway will be the 3x7 journal. I will show you that again. There it is there with its pouch. That's going to be the giveaway. So, for those that comment and leave nice comments and tell me what you think, be honest about it, because I love honesty. This will be the giveaway, and I'll be mentioning this each time we do a video. There's 70 more videos to do. So, I will put your name in a hat, and we will pick a winner. And you will get this beautiful journal. Well, I hope it's beautiful. Anyway, let's get on with it. Today we are printing on fabric. And I thought it was really important that we do. And it's label paper, guys. And we use this multi-purpose label A4 sheet inkjet laser copier. And what we do, we get a sheet. And this is all I do. We get a sheet. This is going to be a quick video, I think. Unless I create with you, I don't know. And we do that. We put our sheet down. I'm going to try not to stick to it. Then we get our fabric. You can use any fabric. But whatever fabric you use, you've got to make sure you get rid of all the fraying. I put it down like so. And I move it up. That's all I do. This fabric might be a little bit thin, but I have printed on it to test run it because I haven't got any more thicker fabric. And then I'd get my scissors and I would trim it like so. All the way around. And I'd be very mindful to leave no frayy bits on the edge. So what I'm going to do is, oops, I crash into it and everything, guys, you know, like crash into the paper. But this is real easy peasy to print on. And I would do my settings, right, on my printer. So listen carefully. If you've got any questions, I'll answer them below. You will get, oh, I'm crashing all over the joint because I'm hurrying. Anyway, so you get your printed fabric. You put it inside your drawer with fabric pointing down. And then what I would do is get what you're printing and put that like so, because it's going to come up that way and it's going to print. So when you print, get your settings, right, because the A4 now is reduced because your labels are normally in A4. So what I would do is get your printer settings. You go to the, set it to A4, but then you go to, or if it's letter, you set it to that, whichever. Whatever it is, your print, whatever it is that you get in the labels, because this is A4. Yours might be letters, I don't know. So what I would do is then get your settings and go, I think you've got to set it to landscape because sometimes it does, whatever you're printing, it's either landscape or portrait. It doesn't matter about that. You know that part. So you go to the A4 or letter setting, and then I would go to size, not a full page. I would go to 8x10. And that gives you that size. That's 8x10. That's printed at 8x10. Okay? Now, this I printed today, but this printer, you notice this is darker. So some digitals are actually going to come off darker. some are going to come off lighter. This is actually darker. And let's see if this will come off easy. Because that's the thing, you know, sometimes it takes a while to get it off, especially if you've got nails like Jeannie. And normally I try and get the fabric off straight away. And there it is, it's coming off. This is a tablecloth, guys, and it's super thick cotton. And it shows you that actually this prints out quite lovely. So we're just going to get it off slowly. And I like these labels. They come off easy. And these labels are by Mad Paper Crush. But see how clear those labels have come off in fabric. This one is Ruby and Pearl. But I don't know. I've printed on a thinner fabric, right? And I gotta get the paper off. And that can be painful on thinner fabric. It actually can be painful, guys, because it sticks. So using a thicker fabric doesn't hurt. And after you finish printing on your fabric, this is peeling off quite nicely actually, and you've printed what you need, I would suggest, see, it's gone through. So I reckon a thicker fabric isn't too bad, you know, not real thick. You know, you got your poplins, your cottons. So that's that one. But you can still work with it, guys. Like, look at these labels. Seriously, are gorgeous. And so here I've got, so seriously, you can print off and you can stitch around these, you know, like, and if you want to stitch around them, you can actually leave them on that backing, you know, and it's easy then to stick down on your book pages. You don't have to get it off the backing. This is how I get my fabrics ready. Look, I have a line of them. Look, there's a line of them. That's ready for me to print as I see fit. And you can get it off once it's thing. And then when I'm ready to print on fabric, I just cut these to size before I put them in. Easy peasy peasy. Now, see this one, because it's lighter, I would have to back that to something. But you can back it onto, say, a tea-stained page or a craft page. There you go. It's still going to look good. Tea-stains. This is a tea-stand page. There you go. All white. I've got a white one here. There you go. And honestly, this label paper, it doesn't go to waste, guys. I print on this all the time. Oh, I actually got the fabric. Oh, yeah, that's the fabric I did before. Okay. I use this printer label to print fussy cuts on. Same thing, upside down. The size I would use is 8 by 10. You know, it says where it says full page, 8 by 10, and you will get a good print. I hope that's made sense to you. And then you can just cut the labels out, like pretty easy. I like leaving a border around mine so that I can cut them out nicely. And then I sew around them. This number one's pretty cute. Like, I didn't iron this fabric because you don't have to iron it. It sticks down beautifully on that, this stuff. And you can buy it from Amazon. I don't know how much it is from Amazon. I could have checked for you, but I haven't got my phone on me to check it. But, yeah, I'd go through and I'd cut these labels. And, look, I've got a box of these labels where I've actually cut these out and used them on projects. And I don't cut them real close because I like the bit of white showing, like I said. It's very hard cutting with the big scissors. But anyway, that's what Jeannie do, the craziness of Jeannie. Where's the other? Here they are. Sorry. No, I think I like the bigger scissors, guys. I think I like the bigger scissors. And then just put them in a little container. And you've got these fabric labels. And they look so cute. I can't cut them when I'm on camera somehow or other, as good as I like to. But I'm going to leave them like so. And where's that journal? I'm creating the tin holes. I can get those labels and put them on something. Like so. Sew around them. Look at that. That pops up. It pops up. There's the 3. I'd sew around it. And all you need is a bit of fabric. Like so. Aren't they cute? So anyway, what we did yesterday was the snippet roll. There is the snippet roll, guys. I sewed around it. And there's the journaling card. That's what we made yesterday. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. Like I said, keep commenting and liking, and I will give the little mini as a giveaway by putting your name in a hat. Tomorrow we'll come back and we'll do this page. It's a flippy outer. It's going to be like so, I think. I don't know. We'll figure it out tomorrow. Like I said, there's your fabric labels. They're cute. And like I said, you know, see the difference between that and the thinner fabric. It's still good, but I think I like the thicker fabric. This is like tablecloth. That's all I use. You can use sheet to print on. It doesn't matter. It's going to take the ink. And this is the stuff you need. Multi-purpose label. You can print anything on this. You can make the fussy cuts by, I think there's a video up, by printing on where you undo. See that? So you need to put that like so. See, I accidentally put it the wrong way. But that is the right way up and print out. And you've got to be mindful. Like I said, print 8 by 10. Because that's the way it will fit into your page. But thank you, guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.